What's up, guys? Today we're going to learn Awake My Soul by Hillsong. I'm going to teach it to you in all open chords, which means you'll need a capo at the 3rd fret, and it'll be in standard tuning. The strumming pattern will be pretty simple, and you're going to have an intro, a verse, an instrumental, another verse, another instrumental, a chorus, another instrumental. All those instrumentals are the same music, and then you've got a verse, a chorus, a bridge, kind of an impromptu vocal bridge thing, and then another chorus, and the song ends. That's it. My name is Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. Do me a favor, follow the link in the description, head over to the website, and subscribe to our newsletter. We've got some cool challenges coming up, as well as some exclusive content that we're going to send out once a month. No spam there. It'll just be like chord charts and extra lessons and all that type of stuff. So also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Those links will also be in the description. Let's get started. So let's talk about the chords we need for this song. We've got a D, open, 2, 3, 2. We've got a G, that's 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. And then we've got a B minor. For this song, we're going to do the open B minor, 7th. So that'll make it a little easier, especially for the worship leaders out there. So you're going to go 2nd fret, open, 2nd fret, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and then open. That's 2nd fret, 5th string, open, 4th, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, open. All right? And that covers most of those chords. And then we do have an A, that's open, 2, 2, 2, open. I'm going index, 2nd, and 3rd for that. And then there's also an A sus that happens like this, okay? Kind of sus, leaves it up in the air so that it can resolve, all right? So the sus is open, 2, 2, 3, open. So that's open, 2nd fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 3rd finger, open, just like that. And then you've got an E minor 7th, just like this. So that's open, 2, 2, and then 3rd finger or your pinky on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, just like that. Okay, so remember we're going to capo the 3rd fret, and let's jump into the chords and the strumming pattern here for the intro. It's just D to G, and I'm going to kind of break this down in a way that's more of like a driving acoustic guitar part, because I feel like that's just what I'm feeling. So I think that's what you guys should learn it as, but feel free to kind of break it down and play it a little differently if you see fit. So if you don't want to do the driving strumming pattern, you could do just a simple down, down, up strum. So it'd be like this. Which you could do literally throughout the entire thing. And that strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. So that's your alternate strumming pattern. I just like the drive because it just feels good. It feels more powerful that way. So I'm going to go D and just the 8th notes. G. And that's literally the intro. It's just D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and G, 2, 3, 4. All right. And then into the verse, there is a sound that I love to hear, or there's a sound I love to hear. It's just D, G, does it again, D, 2nd half of the verse, G, and D. This is your turnaround or instrumental. G, and then B minor, we're going to do the open version. Back to G, and D, 2nd verse. Okay, so the verses, D to G twice, all right, and then your instrumental in between, you could call it a turnaround, is D, same thing, G, and then we're going to B minor, the open version, B minor 7th, back to G, off into the 2nd verse, same exact thing, and then you go into another instrumental or turnaround, all right? So that Second turnaround after the second verse, the same thing. You got D, G, B minor. We're going to do the open one because it sounds good on acoustic. G. And then your first chorus, you're going to do diamonds, which means you're going to hold out each chord. Awake my soul and sing, sing his praise aloud. So let's talk about that. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, A, B minor, 2, 3, G, A, sus, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, A, B minor, 2, 3, G, A sus, 2, 3, 4, and another turnaround. And I'm just doing this 8th note drive because it sounds good. B minor, G, and then off into a second verse and a second chorus. So the second time you get to that chorus, it's going to be more of a driving chorus. Awake my soul and sing, sing his praise aloud, sing his praise aloud. Remember, that's that A sus. Just G, and when he moves, D, and when we pray, A, and then E minor 7th, G, D, A, and then another measure of A and G, D. Second half is the exact same thing as the first half. A, and then E minor, okay? And then G, D, C, I'm sorry, A, all right? So then you've kind of got like an ad-lib thing, which is the exact same chord progression as the bridge, all right? Just kind of really big, so you want to kind of keep that driving strumming pattern going there, or the syncopated pattern that I showed you. And then for the last chorus, it's kind of a down chorus, and then it kind of retards or slows down at the end when it goes, sing his praise aloud, A sus, and then it hangs on that A sus, and then it resolves to the D or your 1 chord.